बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट रेंट प्रेमिसेस एक्ट को कंटिन्यू करेंगे और हम सेक्शन पढ़ेंगे 12 and 13 ऑब्लिगेशंस ऑफ लैंडलॉर्ड एंड टेनेंट। ऑब्लिगेशंस ऑफ लैंडलॉर्ड फर्स्ट अंडर सेक्शन 12 सब क्लास 1 providence of certified copy of tenancy to the tenant, repairing the premises to keep it in a habitable form, paying tax, fee or charge levied on premises, restricted, shall not cut off or withhold an amenity, utility or easement of premises without sufficient cause, shall not enter the premises without reasonable notification to the tenant. Obligation of the tenant under section 13 subclause 1, keep the premises in condition in which it was left out except for normal wear and tear. Use premises for the purposes for which it was let out. Hand over the vacant possession of the premises to the landlord on the determination of tenancy. Not to cause nuisance to the neighbors of the premises. Not to make structural changes in the premises without prior consent of the landlord. Landlord's failure under section 12 subclause 3(4). The tenant may file an application in the rent tribunal for an order directing the landlord to fulfill the obligation. Direction by rent tribunal. If tenant has been in enjoyment of an amenity, utility or easement which has based cut off, direction to landlord to restore amenity, utility or easement, authorizing the tenant to restore the amenity, utility or easement at his expenses and defray the expenses allowed by the rent tribunal from the rent, failed to keep necessary repairs and premises in habitable conditions, direction to make such repairs may be made by the tenant at the expenses and defray the expenses allowed by the rent tribunal from the rent. Tenant's failure to fulfill obligation 13(2)(3). The landlord may give written notice to the tenant specifying the act or omission and the remedial action to be taken by the tenant within specified time. Filing of an application by landlord to rent tribunal for seeking order to fulfill obligations on part of tenant or eviction. Failure to fulfill an obligation under section 12 subclause 3 and under section 13 subclause 2 and 3. Reimbursement of expenses under section 14. If a landlord fails to pay a tax, fee or charge relating to the premises, the concerned authority may direct the tenant to pay the tax, fee or charge. The tenant shall pay the tax, fee or charge relating to the premises and defray the amount from the rent or file an application against the landlord in the rent tribunal for the recovery of the amount of tax, fee or charge paid by him. Reimbursement of expenses under section 14. Inshallah, in next video we will discuss grounds of eviction under section 15. Thank you so much.